Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and swatching these micro mini lipsticks from Just Herbs. So let's get started. These lipsticks come in a tiny pouch packaging and you get 16 micro mini lipsticks. Basically, you're getting every single shade that they launched in this collection. This is priced at 575 rupees for 7 grams of product. So you're getting less than 0.5 grams each shade. Now these lipsticks are made of 100% herbal actives. It contains ashwagandha, brahmi, manjista, cold pressed oils, butters and a lot of natural ingredients which I can't even pronounce. It's completely free from harmful chemicals, it's free from parabens, it's cruelty free and also vegan. And this is how the actual size of the lipstick looks like. Like I said already, the quantity of this lipstick is less than 0.5 grams and it looks super tiny. Even though it looks tiny, you can use it for more than 10 times for sure. After using it for almost 10 times, this is how the bullet looks like. As you can see, I still have a little bit left so I can use it few more times. Now the problem with these micro mini lipsticks is that you need to be really careful while opening and closing the cap. Otherwise you will end up smashing the bullet, and this is how it looks like. Make sure to clean it up immediately, otherwise it gets even messier and that's the worst part. Also, while applying them, don't put a lot of pressure, be very gentle because these are very delicate and fragile and they will break easily. Now talking about the formula, these are creamy matte lipsticks. They glide on very smoothly, giving a soft matte finish to the lips. These are very comfortable on the lips. I swatched all these lipsticks in one go, but my lips didn't feel dry or uncomfortable at all. Also, your lips look healthy and fuller. Since these are creamy matte lipsticks, they are not very long wearing. They will transfer, but that's not crazy. They'll transfer a little bit. However, if you're eating a heavy meal, these will completely disappear. I really like the fact that they came up with this idea. It's quite innovative to make these in micro mini sizes. You can try all different shades without wasting a lot of money. I got this kit free with my Smitten purchase, but if you buy this for fuller price, I'm sure you'll be disappointed because the packaging makes them difficult to use and you need to be really patient with these. Otherwise, the formula is really nice and the fact that these are made of natural ingredients makes it even better. Personally, I love the formula of these lipsticks. I'm thinking of buying the full size. If you're interested to try this kit, do check the Smitten app. They will have this as a free gift once in a month or so. So do check it out. And that's it for today's video guys. If I missed out on anything, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.